Powered by Bantres Amplifiers and Hulu Speakers. Ladies and gentlemen, Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Team Turbo. Ladies and gentlemen, Bakbakan. Ready? 3, 2, 1. At this coming April 20, ara naman kita sa Barangay Agtabo, Pasay City. Bantayan man Inday Team Disco Mobile of Kalinog. Bantayan man Simanal Soundtrack of San Enrique and RKM Bart of Pasay City. And April 26 for the Battle of Mini Sound at Barangay Talungunan, Pasay. And April 27 for the highlights between Caper Lights and Sounds and GM Disco Mobile. And this coming May 2, 2024, ara kita dira for the second Dinagumba sa Barangay Mapili 2024. Dira sa may Barangay Mapili, San Enrique, Iloilo for the Battle of Class A Mini Sound. And this coming May 5, 2024, ara kita dira sa may... Okay na? Okay, so once again, Bugal sa Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo, owned and managed by Mr. Robert Ubit Aguasito. Kabod ang iya Chief Technician, Mr. Jason Cano Aguinaga. Powered by Bantres Amplifiers and Hulu Speakers. Ladies and gentlemen, Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Again. Okay, so once again, congratulations.
This is Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile of Barangay Abaca, San Enrique, Iloilo, powered by Bantres Audio.
Congratulations, Macbacan and Kingston Unlimited Audio Mobile. Showdown lang niya. Team Turbo. Ladies and gentlemen, Macbacan, ready? 3, 2, 1.